Hello, this is for the communication speaking lesson that we did on Tuesday and what we're going to do on Thursday morning, okay, so the 19th, okay, so for the students for the 9:30, 11 in the morning, okay, so we started from the book, page 11, in which we did prepare a short anecdote about one of these topics or an idea of your own, and then so you had to explain it to me, okay, so those of you who were not attending the lesson. So I will be happy if you just record an anecdote and you explain it to me, and you can send it to me by email. So as a voice message. Okay, so that's on page 87, exercise 11. Okay, then, okay, so that is what we did on the 17th in the morning. Then so we moved on to page 90, so which is taking it easy. Okay, so page 90, taking it easy. We were talking about leisure time around the world. Okay, so and again working person with it at Skype. So it is discussing these questions. Are activities involving these things popular in your country? When do people do the activities? And also, what other activities are common? So we spent some time, okay, so doing that. After that, so we did exercise 3. Okay, so you had to read the text on page 91, which is leisure time around the world. So take you will take about 10 to 15 minutes doing this and answer these with true or false. Okay, so if you would like to pause the video now, so and then so I'll give you the answers to that. Okay, so the answers to the list to the reading on page 90, exercise 3, okay, are the following. 1 is true, number 2 is true, number 3 is ng, so that's not given, number 4 is true, number 5 is not given, and number 6 is false. Okay, so the next thing we did was exercise 4. Okay, so exercise 4, you had to find these expressions in the article and complete the sentences with the expressions. Okay, so pause the video now, and then so I'll give you the answers for exercise 4. Okay, the answer is number 1, what's interesting is. Number 2, things like. Number 3, the key question is. Number 4, on the contrary. Number 5, the idea is that. And number 6, in other words. Okay, guys, so that's it. So we finished the lesson on Tuesday here. So and what we're going to do on Thursday the 19th at 9:30 in the morning is, okay, so we're going to discuss, okay, so it's going to take about, I suppose, about 15 minutes. So to discuss these sentences in exercise 4. We're also going to do, so again, so you can send them to me as a voice message if you didn't attend the lesson by Skype. So, and I'll try to, okay, to listen to it over the weekend. Number 5, okay, so we are going to discuss these questions. So did you learn anything from the article? What and how far do you agree with the writer's comment about age and leisure activities? So the next thing we are going to do is on Thursday the 19th is exercise 6, which is vocabulary about relaxation. So it says match the expressions 1 to 8 with their definitions 8 to age. So you have some time to read now, and I'll give you the answers. Pause the video now. Thank you. So the answer is 1B, 2C, 3E, 4G, 5A, 6D, 7F, and 8H. So I'll give you some time to do exercise 7, complete the sentences with your own words, and then so we are going to continue the speaking with that, with your partner. So and we're going to ask follow-up questions. So that's going to be that. And we'll do the speaking, which is about giving advice, exercise 8, working in small groups. Okay, so we'll see how we can do that on Skype. So it's compare Discuss what advice you would give to the following people: Andy, 24, from the call center worker; Diane, 29, sales manager; and Sunitra, 22, administrative assistant. So we're going to work on that as well. If we have time, so we might start at page 92, exercise unit 8.4, using the listening unit exercise 1 on page 92, exercise 2, and exercise 3. But that will depend on how the lesson develops. Okay, so thank you very much for listening, and good luck.